She walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried has built the world.
Now, we've all heard that drinking a glass of red wine is good for the heart because it contains antioxidants such as resveratrol, which strengthens blood vessels and prevents blood clots. But did you know red wine is also good for the skin?
Video, and we're gonna do a red wine facial.
It's as simple as this. All it takes is Greek yogurt or even plain yogurt and red wine. Just take a tablespoon of your Greek yogurt or plain yogurt and a teaspoon of your red wine. Make sure you do a patch test of this before applying it all over. Now mix it all together and gently apply it to your face. Just massage it in. Now leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Red wine is packed with antioxidants like flavonoid, resveratrol, and tannin, which protects the skin from aging by restoring collagen and elastic fibers. The polyphenols in red wine can help to brighten a dull complexion, and the amino acids in red wine refreshes the skin and give it a healthy glow. Now the yogurt will gently exfoliate and hydrate the skin, while the red wine will fight aging and keep the skin looking young. And there you have it. And beautiful babes, I'm back after a little over 30 minutes of having it on. It's dried down, as you can see, on, well, most areas, but around here I guess I put it on quite heavy. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off now and see what I'm working with. Okay, I'll be back in just a second. And here's my skin feeling more youthful and smooth. Definitely hydrated. Afterwards, just moisturize your face with your favorite moisturizer. In case you wanted to know, what I used was this Brahmi oil from SVA Organics. I did do a small segment on it prior to this video, so check out all the details on this. And I'm loving it. I am loving it. Oh my gosh, there you go. Beautiful babes, thanks so much for hanging out with your girl Sweet Angel here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Y'all, if you enjoyed the video, let me know by dropping a like on it. Also, share some hearts. Yes, in the comments. You know I love my hearts. And beautiful babes, listen, if you have not subscribed, listen. I don't know what you're waiting on. I don't know what you're waiting on. But if you subscribe now, guess what? You'll be in the know each and every time I upload. All you have to do is hit that post notification bell and you'll be in the know. One of the first. Absolutely. So beautiful babes, I'm going to be at your farewell right now, but you know I'll see you on the next video. Absolutely I will. And you know it won't be long. But please tell somebody where you're hanging out at. Please share me with your world. And I'll see you and you on the next video coming up next.
They try to silence her truth, but oh, she sings it anyway. With every scar she's proof you can rise after the break. There's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She